Started. Oh, oh God, all day.
Yeah, you did.
Nah, I'm a very busy man.
I did the whole stack of weight on this
Oh yeah,
bitch. Not
cat
this set, but the set
Larry
before
Wheels.
this one. Yeah.
Larry, oh, the one when it wasn't recording. Okay,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
makes sense.
Yeah, fuck this, Jim. We're just gonna keep going to the Pasadena one, I guess. This
Get
one's
that
not
back.
bad, but
Uh,
4 sets, 8 reps. Ain't shit change. I don't even. I don't know. I like 8 reps because it's like I used to do 12. Then I was like, that's too much. And
I
then I
see a
used
lot
to
of
do
people doing
6. And I was
12.
like, nah.
6 is too little.
8's like 8 reps is like strength. You can work on your strength still. Close grip. 4 sets, 8 reps.
Give it a boop, boop. Beep, boop. Just give it a boop. Just give it a boop, bop,
Why
buddy,
does that
boop,
man's
bop.
shoes look so big?
Yo, why are you worried about his shoes? Yo, get off his shoes. What are you, the shoe police?
Like when you're little and you put on like your parents' shoes. That's what it looks like. Maybe his toenails are like 4 inches long, and he's gotta get bigger shoes.
Just give it a boop, bop, buddy, boop, bop, boop, beep. Skadoo bit a bop, boop, ba da, boop, beep, boop. I'm swole. Hey, look at that shit. Some sexy ass nigga right there.
You're little. What do you mean?
Little my
Look at the
ass.
way
I'm
you're
not
wearing
the
your
opposite
mask.
there. Yo, it's hot, yo. You were doing the same shit.
Nope. Can't wait to start doing fucking 2 or 3 plates of this shit. I'm getting strong. I can feel it. The hardest part is eating. Like the amount of shit that I gotta eat. It's like kind of ridiculous. I was hurt yesterday. I couldn't come over and get any cookout food.
There's none left anyway.
None. I know there's
Well, there's
pasta
only
left.
like chicken and pasta and shit left. I ate all the hot dogs.
Oh, who the fuck cares about hot dogs? I want the chicken and steak. Yeah, when you fucking pull this weight back, do it with your legs. You shouldn't start here and then fucking use your back to get to the starting position. That's how you break shit.
Yeah.
Look how
If
big I am.
nothing, if nothing's broken, then you're not doing it right.
A little bit of fucking.
My arms do look long as shit. Jesus
Yeah, I
Christ.
don't know. You see what I'm talking about now?
God damn. Like I could grab the moon and shit. Holy.
Sometime today, buddy.
Is that what I look like in real life while I'm doing this shit
Yeah.
too? Oh my god.
I'd imagine that how you look on this video is how you look in real life. I don't think the fucking.
No, but
Maybe
you know, like, huh?
maybe the lighting is different on the camera. Like cameras be fucking up and don't actually like record what it looks like sometimes, like the colors and shit. But
I don't like to. I might be doing the shit you're doing right here, like leaning back, but I like to stay in like one position, and then if you use your arm, like if you lean back, then aren't you technically using your body weight to pull it?
it's just like a habit thing, I guess.
Like you see how I try to stay in one position.
I guess the argument could be made that if you pull back, you're also making the range of motion longer. But that's like I don't know.
That is true.
Them fucking trees for arms. Oak trees.
Twigs.
Okay,
Like
buddy.
a white
Fucking
tree branch and shit.
30-inch arms like Doom guy.
Alright, Chad. Fuck out of here.
I was doing 90s right here. You can't
Cat.
read it.
Oh, cause you're lifting it too fast.
Nah, cause the angle you can't see the number on it, but these are 90s.
Oh, okay.
They're tungsten, so they don't need to be big to be heavy.
Okay, that makes sense. I'll take your word for it.
Yeah, so your arms just look longer. They look longer, but they're not actually longer. That
Yeah,
rat.
I should have got that strawberry lemonade shit, yo. I hate fruit punch.
It's not bad.
I don't like the way fruit punch tastes in general. Like, without even the shit, like, I don't like the way fruit punch juice tastes.
Yeah, these
Oh,
fucking
that's
hammer crows. I guess we'll just start going to the other LA. This one's kind of everything's just in one corner, like all the free weights and shit.
it.
These were starting to feel shitty. I felt like I was gonna rip some shit, so I didn't go too heavy.
That's why you got 10 pounds on there.
Nah, I got like 100. I was gonna do
Got,
300, but I was like, nah.
okay.
I didn't want to Larry Wheels myself and fucking detach the tendon.
I did 300 and I put the comb on the top. So you gotta get the comb on video, yeah. There's
You
gotta be
were
like an inside joke.
you were struggling on these.
Yeah, because my arms were starting to give up. Like you can see it right there. Like it's not like I don't have the strength to do it.
Yeah, that's
It's
what I'm
I'm
saying. You
tired.
got tired, like quick. You know why? Cause you didn't eat any of the pasta from the cookout. That's why.
Because I had McDonald's. Wasn't this the day I ate McDonald's before we went to the gym?
Yeah, you had Oreos. You had Oreos for dinner, and then skipped breakfast, and came to the gym. Like this fucking monkey. Look at the girth.
That's a good ass angle from the front.
You're broke.
Yeah, I broke the
Talking about
machine.
girth.
Fuck you mean?
You have no money.
Girth? What the fuck do you mean? You know what that means?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Like
Nah,
fucking
you're
like
dumb.
like my meat's a girthy, nigga. I
Why
was
the
just
fuck
talking
would you
about no.
say that I'm broke
I
then?
was just talking about no money. Just cause I don't know. It just came up. Why you asking so many questions? What do you work for?
Fucking some.
You know the new glasses in Tarkov have a ricochet chance?
That's stupid.
You can get shot in the eye with glasses on, it'd be fine.
You'd have a hell of a black eye and a broken orbital bone. You'd be fucked up.
You know what? Go big or go home, you feel me?
You know, I had a really good workout at Gold's. I really like Gold's gym.
Uh-oh.
The
I just
chest day.
bought M995. Golds?
Yeah, the next video I'm gonna upload. If this one gets 10 likes, then I'm uploading 2 videos today.
How about the go-kart video?
I'll work on that.
That's content.
It'll be like, I don't know if it should be a video on its own or what.
I think it should.
These fucking reverse grip dinglings, don't use your thumb or you're a bitch.
Reverse grip dingalings. Didn't you trademark them? Yeah, you gotta put your name in it somewhere.
Yeah,
So he,
I don't see anyone doing these
Let me try, baby.
at the gym. Nobody. I've been doing them for fucking 3-4 years. Never fucking saw anyone else doing them.
this is when fucking I was about to throw the phone on the floor and help you. You almost died
Yeah,
and
I was
shit.
about to shit myself on these. 75 is fucking heavy for overhead shoulder press.
It's heavy as shit.
Now, everyone's favorite line is like, oh, have you seen, people overhead pressing 200-pound dumbbells?
Yeah, I
Well, that
meant to
ain't
ask
me,
you.
bitch.
You think Tristan Lee takes steroids?
No, it's fucking little. You just cut.
I saw this fucking. I was watching. I was on YouTube at like 3 in the morning, and there was a documentary, and it was like I'm 15 and I take steroids, and the kid was 5'8", and 210 pounds. Like, Jesus fucking
Yeah,
Christ.
Tristan Lee is like 105, and he's like 5'2".
He's not 105. He was like
20.
140, like, when he was like 16.
You almost got punched right here.
I knew what I was doing.
Yeah. I don't really fucking like this gym, man. It's so like congested over here in this area. Everything's too fucking close. Fucking Slenderman
They-
strikes again.
Slend him.
Collect the 8 pages. That raggedy ass cut job. That's how I figured out you cut the sleeves off. You see the bottom?
Yeah, you couldn't even tell unless you saw the bottom. So
Yeah.
therefore, I did a good job. No one's looking at my underarms like, hey, you got underarms, and your shirt's cut.
I cut my sleeves. Look. See how clean that shit is?
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. I cut the sleeves off this. Nah, niggas will believe anything. That's crazy. You were really looking too. You got quiet.
I was texting.
Yeah, okay. You were simping?
No, yeah.
Like Cash? How you gonna expose Cash for that? And then you sent me that text one day.
Yo, the difference between me and Cash was I was in a relationship with that girl.
Maybe I
Cash
should
is
send
not in a
him the
relationship with
screenshot.
that girl. Go ahead.
Alright.
I don't even fucking care, yo. Fuck her, honestly.
We got Larry
She had
Rose
my
in the
head fucked
background.
up all yesterday, yeah. Fuck her.
Alright, well this fucking shit's about to end. This went a lot quicker than I thought it would. About to be fired, yeah. You over there texting, trying to work. These look so stupid, but they feel good. I feel like everyone was looking at me like, what the fuck is he doing? We took up like 10 feet.
Yeah, everybody was looking at us in the middle of the walkway and shit.
Yeah, like we're just in the middle of an intersection doing this shit. Somebody's about to catch a flying elbow. See, my mask is covering my nose.
Oh, where did I ask? And it's not. It's a lie.
When are you gonna stop wearing 17 layers of pants? It's about to be hot outside, you know.
It's literally just shorts under my pants.
Alright, well this is the last fucking set. The next video doesn't, it's just me, so I'm gonna just fucking comment over it. You chimp.
You doing that right now?
Dry ass rope we're using.
About to start using fake weights.
Fake weights.
That's how you get mad followers.
Like
on
Bradley
Instagram.
Martin.
Like what's his name? Fuck is his name? Brad Castleberry?
What, the guy who got exposed for using fake weights?
Yeah, he was like, oh, I'm stronger than Eddie Hall and Thor Bjornsson and shit. Look at me. And then they called him out, and he was like,
This isn't our car, by the way.
yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
It's not.
That one is. Asking stupid questions.
Did you press record while it was vertical?
Yeah. What, like this? This is vertical? No, this is horizontal. You monkey, shut up.
I used to fucking, I think I came here once. There's a Chick-fil-A somewhere. I skipped,
street.
huh?
Across the street.
Yeah, I skipped school to come here once. I walked up that fucking past Home Depot.
I'm telling
You know,
you skipped school and didn't get in trouble.
Nope.
Do a flip. Do something cool. Do a backflip, dude. Come on. Woo! Them fucking got them on sale shoes. Fucking 50% off.
Vans
plain
are
shoes.
fucking comfortable. They're cheap, and they're great gym shoes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, look at what the fuck you're wearing.
What?
Those shits aren't flat. Got bad stiff ass soles on.
It wasn't leg day anyway, monkey. I'm gonna have to start recording so he's going here.
What do they sell at Burlington? Not coats. How do they stay open in the summer?
It's a coat factory, yeah?
Yeah, but how do they stay open?
Hey, buddy, what you got there?
A free monitor.
Free?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, no one was working there, so he's logged out with it.
Yeah. It's a life hack. If you pick something up in the store and nobody's working there, you can just walk out
It's free.
and it's free. So I just got like a $400 monitor for free.
What it is?
We gotta hurry though, because they might be chasing after us. It's about to be gaming.
Tarkov.
Nope.
Hey.
Doom Eternal.
Ew.
I've been waiting to play Doom for weeks.
Yeah, you play Doom, I'm stomping on your monitor.
Because I'm not trying to play Doom on a dookie ass wish.com monitor.
That monitor that's rated for 75 hertz but can only run at 50.
You fucking serious?
Yeah.
They lied?
If you run it at 75, the screen will start to turn black. It'll turn off. This video is sponsored by MSA.
No, not really. I'm not cool enough for a sponsor yet. Because I suck dick and I don't have any subscribers.
Makes sense.
Mining away. I don't know what to mine, I'll mine this anyway. In this Minecraft day, so beautiful, further down. What's that I found? Mine